Hello, hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Ease channel, your favorite place to learn English easily and with a smile. I'm Anna.
And I'm Liam. It's so good to be here with all of you again today. How are you doing, Anna?
I'm doing great, Liam. So happy to be recording this episode. The sun is shining, and I'm ready to chat. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic, ready to dive into today's topic and help our wonderful learners improve their English.
That's the spirit. We love that energy. And speaking of our wonderful learners, if you're new here or if you've been watching for a while, yes, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us a lot.
And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like. It tells us you enjoy our lessons and want more simple English conversations. Subscribing and liking helps other English learners find us too, so thank you in advance.
Okay, Liam, today's topic is super fun and very useful for everyday conversations. It's something everyone has, and it's a great way to connect with people.
Oh, I think I know what it is. Are we talking about hobbies?
Exactly. Today we're going to talk about what are your hobbies and how to talk about your hobbies in simple English. This is perfect for beginner and low intermediate learners.
Fantastic. Because hobbies are such an important part of life, right? They are things we love to do in our free time.
Absolutely. And learning to talk about them in English is a fantastic way to practice new vocabulary and simple sentences. So, Liam, let's start with the basic question. If I meet someone new, I might ask them, "What are your hobbies?" How would you answer that simply?
Good question. I would say my hobbies are reading and playing soccer. Very simple. Or I could say I like reading and playing soccer.
Perfect. Both are great. My hobbies are, or I like, are excellent ways to start. Let's try some more. What if you have just one hobby?
Then I would say my hobby is gardening. Or I like gardening.
Excellent. So we use hobby is for one and hobbies are for more than one. Simple, but important.
Yes, that's a key point for our learners. Now, Liam, let's make it a little more conversational. I'll ask you, and you can tell me a bit more.
Sounds good. Ask away, Anna.
Okay, Liam, what are your hobbies?
Well, I have a few hobbies. My main hobby is playing the guitar. I really enjoy it.
Wow, playing the guitar. That's cool. How long have you been playing the guitar?
Chuckles. See, now I'm asking more questions.
Chuckles. Good practice. I've been playing for about 5 years. I play rock music and some pop songs. It's relaxing for me.
Relaxing. That's a great word to describe how a hobby makes you feel. What else do you like to do?
Another hobby of mine is hiking. I love to walk in nature, especially in the mountains.
Hiking in the mountains sounds beautiful. Do you go hiking every weekend?
Not every weekend, but I try to go once or twice a month. It's good exercise and I love seeing the views. What about you, Anna? What are your hobbies?
Good question. Back to me. My main hobby is painting. I love to paint pictures with colors. I use watercolors and acrylics.
Oh, painting. That's wonderful. What kind of things do you paint? Landscapes, portraits?
Mostly landscapes, nature scenes like trees and flowers. Sometimes I paint animals. It makes me feel very calm and creative.
Calm and creative. Two more great words. Do you show your paintings to people?
Sometimes I have a few paintings in my living room. My friends like them.
That's nice. Any other hobbies?
Yes, I also enjoy cooking. I like to try new recipes, especially from different countries.
Cooking. That sounds delicious. What's your favorite dish to cook?
Ugh, that's hard. I love making pasta dishes like lasagna or spaghetti carbonara, and I enjoy baking cakes.
Baking cakes. Can I come over for dinner sometime?
Anytime, Liam. So, you see, listeners, it's a simple back and forth. Ask, what are your hobbies? And then ask follow-up questions like, how long have you been doing it? Or, what do you like about it?
Yes, those follow-up questions make the conversation flow.
Okay, let's do a little role play. Imagine we just met at a coffee shop. I'll start.
I'm ready.
Hi, Liam. Nice to meet you. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. I'm Liam. So, Anna, what do you do in your free time? Or what are your hobbies?
Good way to ask. In my free time, I really enjoy reading books. I read many different kinds of books.
Oh, reading. That's a great hobby. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like mystery novels. They are exciting. I also like books about history. They teach me new things.
Mystery novels are fun. Do you read every day?
I try to read for about 30 minutes every evening before I sleep. It helps me relax.
That's a good routine. My hobbies are quite active. I like playing basketball with my friends.
Basketball? Wow, that's energetic. Do you play on a team?
No, not on a team, just with friends at the park on Saturdays. It's fun and good exercise.
I agree. Exercise is important.
Yes, and sometimes after basketball, we go for coffee.
Sounds like a perfect Saturday.
It is. See how we did that, listeners? Simple questions, simple answers.
Exactly. Now let's introduce some more vocabulary to describe hobbies. When you talk about hobbies, you can use verbs like play. I play football. I play the piano. Do. I do yoga. I do gardening. Go. I go swimming. I go fishing. I go shopping.
That's a good point, Anna. The verb changes depending on the hobby.
Yes, for activities like sports or musical instruments, we often use play. I play tennis. I play the violin.
For activities like martial arts or general activities, we often use do. I do karate. I do puzzles.
And for activities that involve movement or usually end with ing, we often use go. I go running. I go cycling. I go dancing.
Very clear. Let's try this. What if I ask you, do you have any hobbies, Anna?
I would say, yes, I do. I go swimming every morning.
And if I ask, do you play any sports?
I could say, no, I don't play sports, but I do yoga.
Perfect. So learners, try to remember play, do, go.
Let's do another role play. Imagine we are classmates at school.
Okay, I'm ready. Hey, Anna, how was your weekend?
Hi, Liam. My weekend was good, thanks. I went to the park. I really like taking photos. It's my new hobby.
Taking photos. That's interesting. What kind of photos do you take?
I like to take photos of nature, flowers, trees, and birds. Sometimes I take photos of my cat.
Taking photos of your cat. That's cute. Do you have a special camera?
No, I just use my phone. It's simple and easy. What about you, Liam? Do you have any interesting hobbies?
Yes, my hobby is collecting stamps.
Collecting stamps. That's an old hobby, but very cool. How many stamps do you have?
I have about 200 stamps from many different countries. I have stamps from Japan, from Brazil, from Canada.
Wow, that's a lot. Do you learn about the countries from the stamps?
Yes, sometimes. Each stamp tells a small story about a place. It's very interesting. It's a calm hobby.
I can see that. That's a great way to learn and relax.
Exactly. And it's nice to have a hobby that isn't on the phone or computer all the time.
I agree. It's good to have variety.
I agree. It's good to have variety.
See how easy that was? We used take photos and collect stamps. Simple verbs for different hobbies.
Remember, learners, when someone asks you about your hobbies, you can also say, in my free time, I like to, or when I have free time, I enjoy.
Those are good alternative phrases. For example, in my free time, I like to listen to music.
Or, when I have free time, I enjoy watching movies.
Okay, Anna, let's quickly summarize the key points for our learners.
Good idea. Tip 1. How to ask about hobbies. What are your hobbies? What do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies?
Tip 2. How to answer about hobbies. My hobby is gardening. My hobbies are reading and playing soccer. I like reading. I enjoy cooking. In my free time, I like to listen to music.
Tip 3. Use the correct verb. Play, do, go. I play guitar. Instrument. I play soccer. Sport. I do yoga. Activity. I do puzzles. Activity. I go swimming. Activity ending in ing. I go hiking. Activity ending in ing.
Tip 4. Ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation going. How long have you been doing that? What do you like about it? Do you do it often? What kind of books, music, or movies do you like?
And remember to use simple adjectives to describe your hobbies, like relaxing, exciting, fun, calm, creative, energetic.
This is all really helpful information for beginner English speakers.
I think so too. The most important thing is to practice, practice, practice.
That's right. And we have some homework for you, our amazing listeners.
Yes, in the comments section below this video, we want you to answer these questions. What are your hobbies? Why do you like your hobbies? Use simple sentences just like we did today.
Try to use I like, I enjoy, or my hobby is. And tell us if your hobby makes you feel calm, energetic, or creative.
We will read your comments, and it's a great way to practice writing in English.
Also, if you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, your classmates, or anyone who's learning English.
Spreading the word helps our Speak Ease channel grow, and we can make more free English lessons for you.
Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. We had so much fun talking about hobbies.
It was great, Liam. Keep practicing your English, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye, everyone.
See you next time. Ta-da!